In this video, how to make thumbnail on Canva for Fiverr. I will show you step by step how to create a thumbnail in Canva for Fiverr. First, go to the Canva website or open the Canva app on your phone. Log into your account using your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, click Sign Up to create one. After logging in, go to the search bar on the home page, type YouTube thumbnail or custom size, and press Enter. For Fiverr, you can also use a custom size such as 1280 by 769 pixels. Click the format to open the design editor. Now choose a professional template that attracts clients. Click the template to start editing. Click on the text in the template to change the title. Type clear text such as "I will design professional thumbnail." Use large fonts that are easy to read. Now replace the template images with high-quality images. Click Uploads to upload your own images. Drag the image into the thumbnail design. Adjust the image size to fit correctly. You can change colors by clicking on Design Elements. Use strong colors to attract more buyers. Click on Elements to add icons or shapes. Avoid adding too much text to keep the design clean. Review your thumbnail before finishing. After that, click the Share button in the top right corner. Click Download to save the image. Choose PNG format for better quality. Click Download to save the file to your device. Now, you can upload this thumbnail to your Fiverr gig.